How to check if a Samsung phone is original or refurbished. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to check if a Samsung phone is original or refurbished. First, open the dialer app on your Samsung phone. Here, dial *#06# to check the IMEI number. Visit IMEI check websites to verify authenticity. Now dial #0# to access the Samsung hardware test menu. Then, go to Settings, select About Phone, and check the model number. Compare the model number with Samsung's official website. Next, check the box and accessories for original packaging. After that, install the Samsung Members app and check the warranty status. Visit a Samsung service center for an official verification. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.